Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Education and Entertainment. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make a booking in Sahala platform. First of all, Sahala website is to make the booking for quarantine purpose in Oman. Let's start. Open the browser and type covid19-emushrif.om and press enter. As you enter, you will find travel forms. Click on hotels. As you click hotels, you have to read all the instructions carefully before proceeding. Make sure you have all the following documents with you before proceeding. Like valid travel documents, you should have passport or Omani national ID and a debit card or a credit card and a valid flight ticket. Once after reading all the instructions carefully, check box and click I agree. Now in this page you will be mentioning number of adults, let's say number 2, and number of children will be 1, and here you need to mention your check-in date, let's say 24th. You put your governorate, let's say Muscat, and here your price range, within what range you are checking for the hotels, and here child age, let's say 4 years old, and go find hotels. In this page you can see number of hotels as per the price range. Now you can check the hotels whichever you would like to stay. Here you can see plenty of hotels. As you click on any hotel, you will find the categories of hotels. As we have mentioned 2 adults, we are going to click on double or twin superior room, 1 room, then go for proceed to registration. Here you need to mention all your details like your passport number, your name, your last name, nationality, gender, and your date of birth. Here you need to mention your journey details. The point of entry will be Muscat, and here the country from where you are coming and the flight number. Then your contact number with the country code. And save it. Here you can give your co-travelers details. You need to mention all the details. Point of entry, from which country you will be coming, and the flight number. Again here your contact details with the country code and your email address. And save it. Once after saving, you will go to the page where you need to enter the details of your child, name, age, and click the checkbox and go to save. Here you can select and in this page you need to choose type of rooms and you need to put your details. Once after finishing the procedure you can go to recommended service. Here you will get option called transportation, where you will be having three options. The transportation from airport to the hotel. You can click the options whichever you opt for. Here you will find two steps. Step 1, pay for PCR, and step 2, pay for hotel booking. Once after you click the make PCR payment, you will get this page. Here you can do the payment. For 2 person it will be 50 real for the PCR test. Once you click pay. For the children's there is no PCR test here in Oman. Once after you make the payment, once after you click the button, you will get this page. Once after you finish the payment, once you finish the payment process, you will get email of payment confirmation. For PCR and hotel, once finished email of payment confirmation for PCR and hotel booking. Thanks for watching video. Have a safe journey. If you like this video, please click the like button.